Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss the syllabus of the chemistry, first and seconds. I am going to take your organic chemistry, that is unit number third of chemistry first and the chemistry second. In the chemistry first, unit third, syllabus having the topics in this way. The first topic is the carbon-carbon sigma bonds. In that, chemistry of alkane, and in the chemistry of alkane, the formation of alkanes, Wood's reactions, Wood's fitting reactions, free radical substitutions, halogenations, relative reactivity and the selectivity. Next point is the carbon-carbon pi bonds. In that, formation of alkynes by elimination reactions, mechanism of E1, E2, E1CB reaction, Sedzev and Hoffman elimination, reaction of alkene, electrophilic addition reaction, mechanism of oxymercuration, demercuration, hydroboration, oxidations, ozonolysis reduction reaction, C9 antihydroxylation reactions, 1, 2 and 1, 4 addition reaction in conjugated dienes, Diels-Alder reactions, allylic and benzylic bromination using N-bromosuccinamide and the mechanism, example propene, 1-butene, toluene, ethylbenzene, and then the reaction of alkynes include the acidity, electrophilic and the nucleophilic addition reactions, hydration to form the carbonyl compounds, alkylation of terminal alkynes. In the chemistry second, the unit third means organic chemistry include the syllabus in this way, that is stereochemistry second, that includes the cycloalkanes and conformational analysis, types of cycloalkanes and their relative stabilities, Bayer strain theory, conformation analysis of the cyclohexane, chair boat and twist boat form relative stability with the energy, aromatic hydrocarbons, in that we are going to study the aromaticity, Huckel rules used for the identifications of the aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compounds, aromatic character of the arenes, cyclic carbocation, carbon anions and heterocyclic compounds with the suitable examples. Some reactions are there, that is the electrophilic aromatic substitution, the basic reactions of the any aromatic compounds. Then the halogenation reactions of the aromatic compound, nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts, alkylation, acylation with their mechanisms. Hammond postulate, directing effect of the groups. So this is all about the syllabus of the FY second semesters. These topics we are going to study in details. So the friends, once again you understand that the chemistry of the FY BSc is taken by the three different teachers. One teacher will take the chemistry's unit first, second teacher will take the unit second, and I am going to take the unit third. Unit third of the chem first and the chem seconds. Thank you.